So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to scan virus from installed apps. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's clearly jump into the topic. So firstly, open your Play Store on your mobile and just go to three lines and click on Play Protect. Just tap on it and here you can see a scan button. If you click on the scan button, then this will automatically scan all the viruses in your mobile phone that gonna applications make. If it detects any application found virus, then it automatically shows the application to delete in your mobile phone. So in this way you can scan your virus from installed apps. Thank you for watching.